Beautiful one-floor living west/many upgrades including a fabulous kitchen west/granite counters including bar counter with seating, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting and breakfast nook. Open floor plan west/custom trim work/molding and 9 ceilings. Enjoy the nice screened-in porch off of the kitchen adjacent to the attached one-car garage, west/custom professional epoxy floor, garage door opener with remote and double-wide driveway. The home has a large primary suite with tray ceiling, walk-in closet, tiled bathroom floors west/double vanity and shower, along with a guest room and full guest bathroom. Home has ceiling fans, newer blinds/drapes, and stacked washer and dryer. Amenities include a lovely clubhouse with kitchen, Wi-Fi, cozy seating, meeting room, outdoor pool, dog park, bike repair station, no smoking/vaping. Great location. Minutes to I-99, Route 5, shopping centers, restaurants, the College of William and Mary.